All right, Tim. Hey, thanks for taking a minute to stop by and chat with me about ISTE 2025. It's the classic question you ask everybody. What are you hoping to take away, and first of all, what are you bringing to the show?
Well, I'm bringing I just published a book last week again, Steam Power. So I'm sharing a bunch of different sessions about how to implement Steam and really any kind of cross-disciplinary education. Especially, the thing I want to take away, many people too, is really how to integrate AI in a meaningful way. Like, there's so many AI tools out there. There's so many apps. I'm looking for the best integration for the classroom to really support teachers and student learning. So, it's the kind of thing that you really need to follow closely, and it's not even like every 6 months now. You have to do more than that. So there's nothing like ISTE ASAD to kind of really get the whole landscape and what tools are really hitting.
Yeah, I talk about it. You said just a few sessions, huh?
Yeah, I have 7 this time. So yeah. It's always nice though. I like connecting with people. Is always the really fun part. I had a pre-conference session the other day. It's a great way to kick it off. And then I have creative advocacy. I like some niche sessions that are always kind of good, and then some big ed tech tips for coaches and administrators and things like that.
Yeah,
it's also nice having the admins here with the ed tech people. It's kind of an interesting merger. I was part of both groups, but it's funny to see everybody in the same room.
Yeah. So a bit of advice for maybe some of our readers or listeners who can't be here in terms of takeaways and what they should be looking for the upcoming school year.
Well, the big thing for the upcoming school year is we had this AI blitz that kind of happened in the last year or two, but now you kind of have things settling a little bit in education. So it's where's your time most meaningfully spent, with what tools, and what works the best for your district, your audience. I think that's cool. It's not just changing the way you were teaching and just doing it with AI. It's actually, how do you use AI now with project-based learning, and kind of, you can't teach the same way you used to. So how do you follow that? I think following social media is really kind of key during this kind of time when these conferences are happening, and seeing what are the trends that you see.
Yeah. Well, hey, thanks again for stopping by. I know you're super busy, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Excellent. Thank you.